Harness the power of NASA engineering in the Laboratories Development and Testing Division. The accumulated experience of NASA lab engineers is continuously proven in today's space exploration missions. In preparing for the Artemis program, for testing, servicing, and loading payloads destined for the International Space Station, for evaluating new spacecraft and rockets that are once again launching astronauts from Kennedy Space Center in NASA's Commercial Crew program, for sending experiments and robotics into space to further innovation and discovery. NASA Engineering is the go-to for testing and innovation, offering more than 20 unique laboratories with cutting-edge equipment and the ability to build the test prototypes like nowhere else. In the Prototype Development Lab, the team will design, fabricate, and test your prototype, test article, or test support equipment. This team provides fast solutions to complex operation problems, helping launch site customers in the business of processing and launching rockets. For big jobs, rely on the Launch Equipment Test Facility, a proving ground for full-scale machinery and ground equipment like umbilicals and release mechanisms. The LETF supported the shuttle program and now provides test space for mobile launcher equipment like those that will support the launch of the Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft. A key part of design is visualization. When hardware and heavy equipment is on the move, this team is the right fit. Harness the power of NASA engineering for problem solving. The wide scope of capabilities can custom fit for one-of-a-kind challenges. For example, NASA engineering has the facilities to handle cryogenic and other hazardous tasks with a liquid nitrogen flow test area, hazardous test area, and the equipment to test propellant process systems. For testing and design, harness the power of NASA engineering. The electromagnetic lab team is your on-site and on-call for transport of payloads and on launch day. There's the Mechanical and Environmental Testing Lab. Use the lab's thermal vacuum chambers for sensitivity to humidity or temperature, flammability, electrostatic discharge, and materials compatibility. The lab also has thermal vacuum chambers, environmental chambers, and portable vacuum capabilities. NASA Engineering is the leader in research and technology projects. The team provides technology development and design engineering products, services, and subject matter experts for many programs and projects. For troubleshooting, harness the power of NASA engineering in materials sciences and the malfunction junction. Funded as a core capability at Kennedy, it provides support for major accident and failure investigations, often high priority with quick turnaround. NASA's Corrosion Engineering Laboratory provides materials testing in one of the most corrosive marine environments on Earth before sending projects to space. If you're launching with inside of the ocean, we're testing with inside of the ocean. Trust NASA Engineering with payloads. They provide multidisciplinary engineering expertise for the testing, servicing, and processing of payloads and orbital replacement units, including ground support equipment development. NASA Engineering covers the intense acoustic environments during launch with its vibration test facility. The lab can accommodate ground support equipment, flight hardware, small satellites, experiments, and cargo and orbital replacement units for the International Space Station. The latest upgrades mimic extreme launch environments and simulate pyroshock. What's the power behind NASA engineering? More than 100 talented engineers, scientists, and technician specialists of the Laboratories Development and Testing Division. Put the labs of NASA engineering in your orbit and harness the power to explore the universe.